How to create AI generated music using free and open tools. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into a quick and easy way to generate your own AI music for videos or games or just for fun without even needing an expensive software. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and visit any free AI generators like Mubert, Suno AI, or Google's Music LM demo. So I'll just go ahead and open up a new tab here and search for Suno AI. Hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here. So once you open up the website, you might have to log into your account. You'll see a prompt box, and that's where you describe what kind of music you want. So I'll just type in something like, I'll just click on the prompt box over here, and I'll just type in something like chill lo-fi beat with soft drums and piano. So I'll just do something like this and tap on create. It's going to instantly create your requested music for you and give you a few samples. So once you have created your music, you can just go ahead and tap on it to play it and listen to it. You can do the same thing if you tap on the bottom one, so you can just go ahead and play these songs. And if you want to download it, tap on the three dots over here. And once you do that, tap on download, and you should be able to download the MP3 audio for you. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can easily create a completely free demo songs using AI. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.